Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I am finally back to filming. I missed it so much, even though it was a week of a break. Still, I missed it so much, and I'm sharing with you another idea on a door wreath. It was very simple, very fast to do, and I hope you will enjoy this video. If you want to see what is happening, what is going on, then stay tuned and let's go. Let's go over all of the supplies that we would need for this wreath. Here I have 18-inch grapevine wreath. I usually use this type of wreath, that kind of size, for every single wreath that I own. Here are some of the flowers that I have. This is the lavender pick. I bought it at Walmart for 97 cents each. I'm not sure how many of them I would need. I went to Walmart actually yesterday and I found these guys over here. They were $2 per bunch. You don't need much for this type of wreath, and I'm not still sure if I'm going to be using these. Also, I had some leftovers for these guys. I bought them at Walmart as well for 97 cents. And I bought a few more flowers because I wanted to kind of break the lavender up because it's way too lavendery for me. So I bought these guys over here and some of the pink and one of the hydrangea. I want to take these flowers off the stem and kind of, you know, spread it on my wreath. So we'll see what's gonna happen. And then to attach everything, I will be using my glue gun. So let's go. What I'm planning to do is to take my lavender and go around the whole wreath. So taking bunch per bunch, and I'm going to lay it out and show it to you so you can have a good idea what I'm about to do here. So I'm going to lay this down, bend it a little bit, glue it down with my hot glue, take a second bunch, bend it a little bit so for these tails they would not stick out and show, and then lay it right on top of the first bunch and glue it just like this, and keep on going and doing this until you cover your whole wreath. Don't forget to pick your wreath up once in a while and see if everything is looking the way that you want for your wreath to look. I'm done with my lavender. Now I want to put some pop-up colors. These guys over here, I bought this, I believe, AC Moore, and I want to split them. So just pull them just like this, so there'll be individual strings of flowers. So what I want to do is insert them into my lavender just like this. And already it looks so much more refreshed, spring-like, and kind of breaks this lavender up. So something like this, and just go around and glue them right into your lavender. Let's go. Guys, I'm definitely done with this wreath. I love how it turned out. You can add as many yellow as you want. I think it looks really good. Also, you can transform this wreath into summer wreath. Just add a few pink flowers. Let me Let me show you. For example, this hydrangea over here, you can take off individual or cut off individual flowers over here, like those stems, and put them here and there into your wreath, and bam, it transforms your wreath into something summery. Let me show you one more example. So I have these pink flowers over here, so you can mix them up with these fuchsia ones. So just put this one in, kind of spread it into your lavender, and here you go. It can be a summery wreath as well. So let's put this one on and see how it looks on a door. You guys, it is so windy and kind of chilly today. It's crazy. So let's take my wreath off and put this one. Looks very, very good on the door. I love it. You can fluff it up, you can do whatever you want with this wreath. I love how it looks, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on another door wreath for your home. I love this wreath so much. I even like it better than the one that I made for myself for my house. So this wreath was very easy, very fast, very clean looking wreath, nothing much, but it's like bam, straight up spring for me. And just adding a few more pink flowers or any other color flowers into that wreath will transform the wreath into something summery, and you can reuse it for a second season. So 2 seasons in one wreath. That's awesome. Alrighty guys, in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.